Power. It is both the greatest illusion and the ultimate truth of this world. Everyone desires it, but only those who understand its rules can truly attain it. These rules have remained unchanged for centuries. Faces have changed, circumstances have shifted, but the game of power remains the same. Some believe that honesty and sincerity are enough to achieve everything, but the reality is that only those who understand the game, who know how to make the right moves at the right time, can truly win. This world does not belong to the innocent. It belongs to the powerful. And power is not just about physical strength. Real power lies in the mind, in strategy, in the ability to influence and control. If you want to achieve something great in this world, you must embrace the laws of power. You must show the world that you are not weak, that you are not dependent on anyone. The world respects those who establish themselves as symbols of strength. If you appear weak, people will take advantage of you. They will undermine you, and they will see you as insignificant. But if your presence alone instills a mix of fear and respect in others, you will get what you desire. The first rule of power is never to reveal your true intentions. People will only conspire against you when they know what you want. But if you remain mysterious, if you keep your moves hidden, no one will be able to predict your next step. And that will be your greatest strength. People fear what they cannot understand. The second rule: never become too familiar with anyone. People betray only those they know too well. If you want to be strong, you must set boundaries. You must control your emotions. Remember, this world is like a chessboard, and only those who make calculated moves can become kings. Never outshine the master. Do not make your superiors feel inferior to you. Ego is the greatest weakness of every human being. If you make someone feel that you are smarter or more capable than they are, they will try to destroy you. In this world, the real skill is to remain humble on the surface while becoming powerful from within. To gain power, you must learn how to shape your image. This world believes more in appearances than in reality. What is seen is what is believed. Even if you are weak, if your image is strong, people will fear and respect you. Another great secret of power is never to trust anyone completely. Trust is the very thing that can destroy you the most. In this world, everyone has their own interests. As long as your presence benefits them, they will stand by you. But the moment they feel they no longer need you, they will abandon you. So, never depend entirely on anyone. Become your own strength. Always remember, power belongs to those who can control themselves. Do not be ruled by your emotions. Instead, learn to master them. Anger, love, hatred. If these emotions control you, you will become weak. The one who thinks with a calm mind is the one who ultimately wins this game. Show people what they want to see, but play your real game behind the scenes. Never fully disclose your plans. If you want to defeat someone, make them feel as if they are winning, while in reality, you are the one in control. This is the essence of true power. If you want to be remembered, if you want to make a mark, you must refuse to be just another face in the crowd. The masses always wait for a leader. If you have the ability to lead, the world will follow you. But if you think like everyone else, act like everyone else, then you will remain just another ordinary person. In this world, only those who stand out are remembered. Those who create their own power, who carve their own path. The game of power is not easy, but if you learn to play it right, you can rule the world. No matter what field you are in, if you apply these rules, success will follow you. Now, the question is, do you have the courage to play this game? Do you have the strength to conquer your fears? Do you have the determination to transform yourself into someone who cannot be ignored? If yes, then it is time to embrace these laws of power, to make them a part of your life. This world only listens to the powerful, and the powerful are those who understand, adopt, and rise above.